Hey y'all, today I'll be reviewing, coloring, and installing these 18-inch Kinky Straight human hair clip-ins that I got from AmazingBeautyHair.com. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing, coloring, and installing some 18-inch Kinky Straight human hair clip-ins that I got from AmazingBeautyHair.com. These are how the clip-ins came. I got 2 orders of the 18-inch Kinky Straight human hair clip-ins. In a box, it came with the clip-ins. It came with a alligator clip, a white tooth comb, and some extra little clips. It also came with a little card that shows you how to measure the hair, how to take care of it and everything. It also has a QR code for Amazing Beauty Hair, their Instagram, and their other social media platforms. Alright, so taking the hair out of the pack, like this hair was so soft, and I went ahead and combed through it and ran my fingers through it. There was minimal shedding, but let me tell you, this hair was so soft. It was so soft, so I really like that. It didn't have a smell, and it was very full, very thick wefts. So I'm gonna go ahead and take loose the bundle so I can see what comes in a order. Well, we have one weft with 4 clips. We have 3 wefts with 2 clips, 1 weft with 3 clips, and 1 weft with 1 clip. I hope you can understand. Alright, and as you can see, my hair is not 1B natural black, which is the color that the clip-ins came in. So I went ahead and colored it. I just used the hot water, kind of like the hot water bleaching method, because I basically mixed some 40 volume developer and some bleach powder, and then I added a little bit of hot water in so that I could fully saturate both of the bundles of clip-ins. But I didn't wait for it to process. I put it in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then I rinsed it out and washed it with a purple shampoo. I didn't let it sit that much because, as you can see, my hair is a little golden, so I wanted it to match the back of my hair as close as possible. And this is what we came out with. Let me tell you, this hair really took to this color really well. I was kind of scared because the second bundle I didn't loose out, but as you can see, it colored perfectly. Alright, so to install the clip-ins, I went ahead and prepared my natural hair first. It was already a little blown out. I just went ahead and blew it out a little bit more. I started off by wetting it. That was just some water inside of an Ocean's Bomb Collection conditioner bottle. And then I used my Honey Butter Babe natural hair butter, put that all over my hair, and then got some heat protectant serum and put that all over my hair. Then I went ahead and detangled it, and I blew it out. Now, let me tell y'all about this blow dryer. This blow dryer is truth. It makes blowing out your hair so easy. And one of my clients put me on, and then I caught it on Amazon on sale with a coupon, and I love it. So anyways, yeah, back to the clip-ins. I went ahead and blew out my hair to make it a little bit more straight so that it can match the texture of the clip-ins. Then I went ahead and started parting my hair from ear to ear, basically side to side, half an inch or about a half an inch spaces apart. The first row I used a 2-clip weft, and then for the next row I used a 3-clip weft. Then this next row, I used the 4-clip weft. And then this next row, I used the last 4-clip weft. I wanted this install to be very full, and I wanted to do a side part so that I can cover my eye. Yeah, y'all, I gotta start telling coming what happened to my eyes. So we will get there when we get there. The next row, I used a 3-clip weft, and then I used 1-clip wefts on the side. So then I used two 2-clip wefts. So that basically made a 4-clip weft. Well, not really. It was two 2-clip wefts. Then I used another two 2-clip wefts. Then I used a 3-clip weft, and this is where I started like leaning them over to the side to make my side part. So for that, I used a 3-clip weft. And then I used the very last clip-in, and that was a 2-clip weft. Alright, and this is what the clip-ins are looking like. I didn't do anything to them yet. This is just freshly clipped into my hair. So it's blending pretty good, And I was gonna leave it straight, but I decided to go ahead and add some wand curls and do my baby hairs to make it look, you know, a little cuter. So now I'm pressing on my edges where I'm gonna do my baby hairs at, and I'm pressing down like the root of the wefts and my roots, so that it could like flatten the puffiness from the track so it could look a little bit more natural. And then to do my baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my She Is Bomb Collection Bomb Glue Gel and just lay them down, some little simple swoops or whatever. Y'all know I swear by my She Is Bomb Collection. If you want your edges to stay slick like all day long, like this is it right here. All the products that I'm using will be in the description box below if you're interested. Alright, and then for some extra hold, I went ahead and covered that with some Got To Be Free spray and blow dried it until it was dry. And then one more thing I did before I started putting the curls, I grabbed my pressing comb and I pressed down like where my hair ended. Like basically you can see where I was pressing down, that's where my hair was ending. So that basically it could blend into the clip-ins. And so far so good. Like this is as close as I could get to the color of my natural hair. and I say it was really, really good. Now I just started with the wand curls, and I didn't do the whole thing on camera because my arms was hurting. But so basically I just grabbed like some small sections, some big sections. I didn't put any hairspray. I just did some quick little wand curls to put like a little soft curl look to the hair. Alright, so like I said, I finished these wand curls off camera, and this is how it turned out. Really, really, really cute. I really love these clip-ins. Like, this is my first time with clip-ins, and let me tell you, I am very impressed. Even after bleaching, their hair was still soft and it still remained the same texture. So I really, really like that. Big shout out to AmazingBeautyHair.com. More hair information and a link to purchase is in my description box below if you're interested. And I want to give a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Mwah.
Baby, don't worry, keep blessing me.
Bless me, baptize me cocky. Me love you ride and